murder, January 22nd. Sarah Wairuru, age 47, location Kiruga Nyeri, date of murder, January 18th. Sarah, age 45, location Kilai, Narok, date of murder, January. Assunta Wanjiru, age 30, location Nyandarua, date of murder, January 16th. Rita Waini, age 20, location Roysambu, Nairobi, date of murder, January 14th. Nevin Museti, age 28, location Langata, Nairobi, date of murder, January 11th. Grace Wangari, age 24, location Gibirai, Kiambu, date of murder, January 21st. Queen, age 25, location Magarini, Kilifi, date of murder, January 14th. Rachel Wambui, Njoroge, age 55, location Gatundu, Kiambu, date of murder, January 21st. Maureen Achieng, location Bondo Fiara, date of murder, January 3rd. Honorable Speaker, on 27 January 2024, we held an annual national protest demanding an end to this scourge. To put this into perspective, statistics show that out of 546 deaths by femicide, in the recent years, 241 of the perpetrators were husbands, 130 boyfriends. Women are being killed, murdered, and butchered by people they at first instant thought they were safe with. Honorable Speaker, the case of Kevin Kangethe, who murdered his girlfriend in the USA and left USA for Kenya, got traced in Kenya, was arrested and taken to the police station. At the police station, he escaped and has now been rearrested. Again, clearly points to the lack of seriousness in the handling of femicide perpetrators. A society is judged by how it treats the marginalized and most vulnerable. Women in this country undergo many challenges, and it is imperative and we demand that women must be treated right. We are unapologetically demanding that women's dignity must be upheld and women's lives in the country matter. Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, we therefore demand that the Ministry of Interior issues a status report on all cases of femicide and investigations that have been concluded and the perpetrators who have faced the law in court. That the President makes a declaration issued on violence against women and femicide as a national crisis. That an executive order be issued on zero tolerance to violence against women and femicide. That all political parties initiate disciplinary action against its members who make misogynistic statements and statements supporting and inciting and encouraging violence against women and femicide, as well as those accused of the same. That there may be responsible and less sensational reporting from media houses on femicide and violence against women. Viewer discretion in the release of unnecessary violent details and images must be adhered to. We demand dignity even in death for victims of femicide. We encourage media houses to engage feminist experts to help them improve reporting practices. Women are more than half of their viewership. Thank you, Madam Speaker. And with that, I would like now to call the Honorable South MP, Karoli Omondi, to second the motion. Thank you.
I thought members are simply debating on the points, but you may proceed, Karoli Omondi.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. I think I stand to contribute to this motion for the simple fact that men should also be counted at this particular time. If we leave it purely to our sister colleagues, it would look like this nation, the males don't care. Honorable Speaker, the distinction between femicide and the other typical acts of violence against women is the gender content, where a crime is committed against a particular woman or women because of gender considerations by the perpetrator of those violent acts. And it is important that we understand where this comes from, so that probably we address it in a very detailed manner.